that's what this little video gonna be about, man. Stay tuned. Yeet. Hook this up. Yeet. Yo. Hold up, peeps. Yeet. It's your boy, OneTake JR, man, coming back to y'all with another VI video, dog. Y'all know what time it is, man. As you can see in the title and the thumbnail, man, I'm coming to y'all with a review on the Dji Mic Mini, dog. Huh. Yeah. We just got this thing, man. We about to do a little review on it. We about to hook it up to the Osmo Pocket 3 and see what the audio sound like, man. So for those of y'all that watch my YouTube channel, I do majority of my vlogs on the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, and I got the creator combo kit that comes with this DJI Mic 2. So for the most part, my audio is good, you know what I'm saying? But having this Mic Mini, it gives me something a little bit smaller. As y'all know, y'all probably don't watch the other videos on it. And it also comes with a receiver, so I can connect this mic kit to my Sony ZVE1 that I have anytime I want to do talking heads or anything like that. So that's gonna give me a little bit more flexibility to use the Pocket 3 or the ZVE1 whenever I want to. So we about to pop this bad boy open. We're gonna see what the audio sound like, man. And that's what this little video gonna be about, man. Stay tuned. Yeet. Yo. We back, man. Y'all know what time it is, man. Hey, man, so we fully unboxed the DJI Mic Mini. This is the charging case. Very small, very compact. It's gonna be perfect for my kit that I got running right now. Y'all know, y'all watch my vlogs. I vlog with the Osmo Pocket 3. I got the creator combo kit, so it comes with this DJI Mic 2, which has great audio, as y'all can see right now, and as y'all seen in my previous videos. But I wanted to get this. It's smaller, it's a little bit more compact, and it also gives me the flexibility to be able to hook this up to my Sony ZVE1 whenever I'm doing headshot talking videos like what I'm doing right now. I can connect this to that, as well as it has a USB-C lightning adapter as well, so I'll be able to connect it to my phone and get great audio, which I plan on using my phone a lot more when it comes to shooting stuff, when I don't want to pull my Osmo Pocket 3 out my bag or anything like that. So we definitely gonna use that. We're gonna take advantage of this kit. But right now, I'm about to switch over to the DJI Mic Mini so y'all can see what the audio sounds like. Yo, so we on the DJI Mic Mini, man. Y'all let me know what this audio sounds like in the comment section, man. I'm pretty sure it sounds good, because DJI, they don't miss. And I love DJI. Like I said, I'm big on the DJI ecosystem. Like I said, I got the Osmo Pocket 3. I got the creator combo kit. Now I got the DJI Mic Mini. For those of y'all that's been watching my previous videos, I want y'all to know, like I told y'all before, y'all gonna get videos more frequently once I added something else to my kit. I got the M4 MacBook Pro. It's fast, it uploads fast. I can cut my videos up on the go while I'm at work, whatever I need to do. So videos gonna be rolling out, man. They definitely finna be coming. I hope y'all like the audio of this. For everybody that's already part of the OneTakeGang, y'all know me. When it comes to my mic, I wear it in one or two places. I either have it on my necklace or I wear it on my hat. And then every now and then I'll connect a lav to it and put the mic in my pocket if I'm actually active or moving around or anything like that. But for the most part, my mic is on my necklace and on my hat. So we gonna pop this Mic Mini on my hat real quick just to make sure the audio still sounds good. Like I say, I will hear this in post, but I'm pretty sure it sounds good because it's DJI. So now it's on my hat, man. Like I say, it's a lot smaller, it's more compact. You know what I mean? It's less noticeable, but I'm pretty sure the audio sounds good, man. And it also comes with two windscreens for each mic. They got a gray one and they got a black one. The gray one they got kind of looks like the one that's on the DJI Mic 2. They got a gray one like this, and obviously it's smaller because it fits this mic. And they got a solid black one. And you know, that's gonna be cool for when you outside, the wind blowing, stuff like that. But for the most part, man, this is the mic that I'm gonna be using from here on out. And if I ever have anything that I got going on where I need two mics, I got a second mic. And this gives me the flexibility to use this mic on my phone as well as my Sony ZVE1 if I ever do headshot talking videos, or if I ever decide to vlog with that, you know what I mean? So I can use this on that as well. It just gives me a little bit more flexibility, man. So I hope this audio sounds good, man, for everybody that's part of the OneTakeGang, man. I appreciate y'all tuning in and checking out this video. And I'm gonna tell y'all one more thing, dog. We shooting this right now in the cave. I'm getting this set up. We're gonna have a full review of the cave coming. We're gonna keep them rolling out, man. We're gonna keep the videos rolling out, man. If you're not part of the OneTakeGang, like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell noti, and join the OneTakeGang. You know what I'm saying? Because we about to get lit. Yeet. Hey, and like I always tell y'all, man, Hate me or love me, either way you still got feelings for me. You feel me? And we out.